today is a sweeping day. I have 4 workers. Actually 3, but my husband is working in the yard now. So that made it 4. Oops, my underwear. Yep, every day is a garden day. We have to help each other. This is the polo that I've been using for my garden. So here's my peanuts update. They're starting to produce flowers. And then next thing you know, we can harvest them. They're beautiful. So I'm growing more corns, and they're full of unwanted stuff around them. So we have to clean them today. Okay, so I have 3 baby corns here. We have to replant them here directly to the soil. I have 3 medium sizes, so we can add more here. Put it here, position that way, and we cover. Okay, our corn now is looking good. My corns. I see a bug. That's the fruit there. Mango from the mango tree.